Guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make smooth zoom in and zoom out transitions in After Effects, just like this. So, open After Effects. As you can see, I've already trimmed all my clips and arranged them properly according to the beats. If you also want to learn how to arrange your clips perfectly on beats, you can check out my tutorial on the channel. Now, let's create a smooth zoom-in animation on our first beat. First, create an adjustment layer above the clip. Then go to the Effects panel, search for S_blur curves, and apply it to the adjustment layer. Now, enable the keyframe for the Z-Dist option at the start and end of the clip. Follow my exact settings on the screen. At the end keyframe, increase the Z-Dist value like I'm doing here. Then select both keyframes, right-click, and choose Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and adjust the graph according to my settings to get that smooth zoom-in effect. And that's it! Our smooth zoom in is ready. Also, make sure to adjust the center XY according to your character's face, so the zoom focuses properly on the subject. Now you can simply copy this adjustment layer to the other beat clips, just like I'm doing here. For the zoom out effect, create another adjustment layer and apply the same S_blur curves effect. Again, enable the Z-Dist Keyframes. This time, increase the Z-Dist value at the start of the clip, as I'm doing here. Then select both keyframes, apply Easy Ease, open the graph editor, and follow my graph settings to get a smooth zoom out effect. And done. Our zoom out effect is also ready. You can copy this adjustment layer to the other clips and place it on the remaining beats to create the same effect throughout your edit. After that, you can add any of my CCs to your edit, just like I'm using here, to enhance the overall look and quality. You can find my CCs on my website, and I've also added the link in the description. You can also join my WhatsApp channel where I regularly share free 4K CCs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.